James, what are you doing?
James, here.
Go get it. All right. There we go. You gonna go get it? All right.
Good job. Come on, sweet pea. I know you're doing good. Come on. Come on.
Go get it.
You can get my cell phone, the house phone.
Ooh, all kinds of good stuff.
Let's sign them up for you. Oh, who's that sweet baby? Come on. No, you're almost there. You're almost there. I'm almost going to take that one, okay? Come on.
Good boy.
You can have it. Don't call China.
Hi, Mama.